Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi. Start by opening Settings on your home screen, then tap on Wi-Fi. Toggle the switch to turn on Wi-Fi, and your iPhone will search for available networks. Select the network you'd like to connect to. If the network is secured, enter the Wi-Fi password when prompted, and then tap Join. Once connected, you'll see a check mark and the Wi-Fi icon at the top of the screen. Alternatively, swipe down from the top right to open the control center. Tap and hold the Wi-Fi icon to access network options. Then, tap and hold the Wi-Fi icon until the Wi-Fi settings appear. From here, select the network you'd like to join, enter the Wi-Fi password if needed, and once connected, the Wi-Fi icon will appear in the top right corner. That's it. You're now connected to Wi-Fi and ready to browse, stream, or download. Thank you for watching.